Hey friends, welcome back to this scented journey. My name is Rebecca. I am a Scentsy fragrance specialist and I'm here to share with you some of the products I've gotten through within the last week or two. So I will start it off with some laundry liquid in Jammy Time. I am finding that I am enjoying this fragrance the best as far as the scent throw staying on my clothes and on my linen. So got through Jammy Time. I just replaced the dish soap that was in there. It was Pink Sunshine and I changed it to Sparkling Spiced Citrus, and I love this and everything. It's a little fall, but it's okay. You know, we can use what we have. All right. I did get through some pods. In the hot weather, I tend to choose to use our fan diffuser systems or element warmers. I really don't like the bright lights of the light bulb. I don't like the heat, and I don't like the humidity, hence this rockin' hairstyle today. It's like 90, but it feels over 100 here in the Midwest. Not fun. So I got through a Blue Grotto, and I love this fragrance. I think this is a underrated fragrance in all of the things. So Blue Grotto is just a pretty fruity, juicy fragrance. Love it. Sorrento Breeze. This was a fan favorite from our summer collection, I think 1 or 2 years ago. And then I got through Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze. So I use these in our air purifier once in a while. Usually I just have the air purifier going, but my go-to is our Air Quad, Scentsy Air Quad. And this month there is a special on it. So open up a rewards link, get that rewards link to a qualifying party, and you can use 2 of your half-offs to get a $115 product for $25 US dollars. So go do that. All right, let's go on to the wax. Got through Soft Plumeria. I really enjoyed it. It was a pretty fragrance, but I won't be keeping this in my club. This is a bar that they brought back, and I have tried some of them. I haven't been truly impressed with all of them, to be honest. I got through, I know there's another bar here. Yes, our current fragrance of the month, Red, White, and Sparkle. It's a very pretty fragrance. Berries, I would say this is a light to medium. Performer, vanilla, sugared plums, and berries. I get more berries and plums. I don't get vanilla, which is a good thing. All right, I'm not a vanilla melter. All right, let's talk about Miss Blueberry Rush. This is one of the fragrance bars that I didn't complete. I like this on cold. You do get the blueberries. You do get kind of like a crust, but it was very bad as far as performance-wise. So I am going to try this, believe it or not, in a mini warmer in the bathroom and see if she redeems herself. But as far as open concept worthy, for me, this one did not perform. And we all know that every home is different. Every nose is different. So that one didn't do well. All right, another one from the Bring Back My Bar promotion was Coconut Cotton. Very nice, very light if you like light fragrances. Bedroom, bathroom only. Do not try to do this in an open concept. But I did mix this with Blooming Marvelous, and I also mixed it with Mediterranean Spa, and the combinations were phenomenal. All right, so I got through the Mediterranean Spa. This is really nice. It's a very calming, fresh, cool, just like a Mediterranean Spa. Really nice. I don't know if I will keep that in my club because, you know, my club keeps on expanding where I kind of want to keep on dwindling it down. And then I just warmed this in the open concept one day. Great performer, Mojito Mambo. it's like minty and fresh at the same time. It just fit the mood for the day. So Mojito Mambo. And then let's see what else. Okay, Dumbo Circus Parade. I was surprised with this bar. I took it out. I put it in a club, like a In-N-Out club, and I thought I would keep it in there, but it's just so deceiving. I thought it would smell like peanuts, but it smells like oranges. It's a citrus base. It's fruity. I don't get any saltiness. I don't get any peanuts. I just get fruit. It's a very pretty bar, but I have bars in my club already that are better performing if I want to have a fruity citrus orange bar. And then lastly, I went through Desert Twilight. Great performer. Love this. This is another bar that I really don't reach for a lot. It's masculine forward, a little bit of a leather, and it was just great. I did it in the master bedroom, and it performs for days. So there you have it. That's everything that I've been using. Make sure you follow along for this scented journey of mine. Take care.